So in To Be Hero X episode 18, we discovered that the CEO of Treeman Company, Mr. Shand, has been secretly working on a mysterious character shown inside a container in his lab. Their identity hasn't been officially revealed in the series yet, but we've identified 4 potential candidates who might actually be the person in that container. Let's go through them one by one. Number 1. The original Yi-Sol. He once saved the world from the rogue hero known as Zero, and later died in his battle against Yang Chong. Number 2. Zero. A former hero who went rogue, killing both civilians and fellow heroes. He was ultimately defeated by the original Yi-Sol. This tragic event became known as the Fall of Dawn Incident, or Dawnfall for short. Number 3. Vortex. The hero who won the Title X in the 9th Heroes Tournament in year 18. He was later defeated by Big Johnny and left severely injured. Eventually, he died in a mysterious plane crash a year after the fight. Number 4. The hero with the ability to duplicate himself, seen in the Hero X promo trailer and in Moon's backstory. This character is rumored to be called Phobia Clone. Out of all 4 characters listed, in my opinion, I believe that the mystery figure is actually option 4, Phobia Clone. And here's why. In Shand's lab, we saw multiple containers being used, not just one. This already rules out the other 3 characters since each of them was a single individual. On the container screen, the message Fusion in Process appeared, implying a more complex experiment. Additionally, the person in the container was wearing a mask, and in the promo trailer, the current Hero X is seen fighting an opponent who has an identical mask nearly as the same figure. Now, as to how do we know this character is Phobia Clone? During a conversation between Johnny and Vortex, the name Phobia Clone is mentioned. That is the only character we have seen in the series, with the ability to clone or duplicate himself, as what the name Phobia Clone implied, and the entire reason why Vortex visited Johnny's dad and requested his assistance is so that he could retain his position as X. He needed Ah Sheng's healing abilities for his own goals, even though he had already beaten that hero during the last tournament. However, Ah Sheng refused to help him. Later, Vortex got defeated by Big Johnny. He was believed to be the culprit who was behind the death of Johnny's dad. The hero was heavily injured after the battle and received medical treatment for his injuries. He also a lot of trust value after the public found out about his defeat, which weakened his stats and abilities even further. It wasn't until a year later he died in a mysterious plane crash. But here is an interesting detail if you actually rewatch the first episode of Lucky Cyan's arc in Chinese sub. The person Queen's dad was speaking to said that the plane crash was cause of Vortex and the hero split, which very well seems that Split and Phobia Clone are actually the same character but with different names due it being translated from different countries. Which leads me to believe that during their fight left Phobia Clone's body heavily damaged and was later recovered by the Treeman Company. As for what Mr. Shand is planning, it appears he's trying to revive Phobia Clone and use him as a personal puppet to serve his company's goals. But what do you guys think? Is it actually Phobia Clone, or is it Zero? And don't forget to like for more To Be Hero X content.